final soy protein food for today's video series is Texturized Vegetable Protein, or TVP.
What is texturized vegetable protein? Texturized vegetable protein is made by removing fat from soy flour that has been cooked under pressure and then dried. Texturized vegetable protein is also called meatless crumbles. Texturized vegetable protein, also known by its initials TVP, or by other names including textured soy protein, or TSP, soy meat, or soy chunks. You might find it on food labels under one of those names.
By itself, TVP does not have a strong flavor, so it's easy to add spices and other flavorings to make it taste like the meat product it's imitating. TVP can be used as an extender in meat, stew, soups, patties, and meatloaf. It can also be used as a protein additive to help protein bars, cereals, salads, stuffing, and baked potatoes. It's easy to prepare and great for taking on the flavor of any recipe, making it a very versatile food.
Where can I buy texturized vegetable protein? TVP may be harder to find in grocery stores, but it can be found in health food stores or online in the form of granules, in a resealable package like this. How do I prepare, cook, and store TVP? To cook this, you will need a 3/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of water or vegetable broth. You will also need 1 cup of TVP. You will need to rehydrate the TVP by bringing the water or vegetable broth to a boil and pour it over the TVP. Then stir and let it stand until the liquid is absorbed for 5 to 10 minutes. You can cook TVP in the microwave by covering it tightly with a microwavable safe wrap, then cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Check it after 2 minutes while heating and add more liquid if needed. You can make many recipes such as black bean chili, vegan biryani, meatless meatballs, stuffed peppers, and veggie burgers using TVP. TVP in its original granule form should be stored in a cool, dry place at room temperature. However, it's important to note that once TVP has been rehydrated, it must be kept in the fridge and can last for 5 days. Shown here is a TVP taco recipe from the Portfolio Diet app I made using TVP. I added some vegetables and tomato sauce to the rehydrated TVP and added half a cup of water. Then stirred it until the water evaporated. Lastly, seasoned it and added on top of tortillas and some toppings for a great lunch or dinner meal. A 1/4 cup of TVP provides you with about 10 grams of soy protein.